Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you this. I have the pipe sticking out here, right? And the bracket that I got, it was a partial bracket that slides over it, but it was all rusted out. And it was supposed to slide together to go under something like this. Well, I found a replacement bracket. Well, no, I didn't. I couldn't actually find two halves again at the store, so I found a metal flange bracket about the right thickness. I went ahead and cut it with a hacksaw, and then I pushed it together, cut another piece off the hacksaw so they could go close together without riding up on one another. And then so this fits under this groove in the pipe. There's this groove in the pipe that comes up. And other than replacing the pipe, I don't really think there's another way to do this, because normally you can buy the metal flanges, but they're already on like the pipe fitting. So I got like this part here, which I could put down inside the 3 pipe, but it's still I'm trying to think. I wonder if I could just put this down inside the pipe and then drill the holes for that. Yeah, I could probably do that. Or if you've, but I didn't know if the hole, because the hole is smaller, it fits into a 3-inch pipe, it reduces the diameter of the pipe. For flushing, I didn't know if that made a difference. So this is a solution here. And I don't know if this will hold the pipe and keep it from falling, because this bracket is what's keeping the pipe level with the floor. So it has to go under the grooves in the pipe here, the top of the pipe, to hold it. Otherwise this is going to be loose and it could go down, from my understanding. So if you're in the same situation, you can get a bracket like this, but it'll be a whole one. Just cut it in half and then cut maybe another piece out so you can push them underneath the circle here. Mine was just an odd fitting one. It's an older house, and instead of having to redo the pipe and stuff, this has worked. And that stainless steel half one worked as well, but it's corroding, so I'm not going to reuse it. I'm going to use this, and this has corrosion resistant stuff on it, so hopefully it'll last a long time. And I have my stainless steel bolts here. I put them under here. What I did was just angle grind. They were rounded, and I just used an angle grinder and ground down so they're flat, and they fit right under there. So if you have this problem, hopefully this will work for you, and that'll hold it. And you can drill down into whatever floor you have. I happen to be under, I tiled right up to the point. I think maybe some people just tile right up to the toilet itself. I actually removed the toilet and tiled under it. I'm not sure if that's exactly what you're supposed to do, but that's what I did do. So I don't know if that has led to these problems. It definitely makes it more difficult to drill the holes that I may need. But I guess that's neither here nor there. But so if you have the problem, like me, get get a bracket, cut it in half if you can't find one that's already that's supposed to go under there, and then you can fit it under there, drill some holes, screw it in, and it'll be solid. So I hope that helped you out there. That's what I had to do. So thanks for watching, everyone.